In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So currently, as you can hear, these sounds are muted, so you cannot hear my clicks, but if you'd like to change it, just open list of all apps, go to the settings then, find and select sound, and here go to the advanced. Now scroll down, and here you will notice touch sounds. Smoothly click on it, and from now on you will be able to hear each of the click. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.